I think I've filmed this like 20 times today. So we're going to see how this goes. Hello, welcome to day 5 of the 21-day cleaning challenge. Apparently, Dozer thinks this is his bed. Today's going to be a little bit different than usual. It hasn't been my typical day. It is Friday, but I did have to call out of work today because my 2-year-old wasn't feeling too good this morning. So I went ahead and just called out for the day to take care of her. Thankfully, she's feeling way better now. She's practically back to normal, but I'm just kind of taking advantage of, having taken today off to do other things and take care of some things I don't normally have time to take care of on a Friday. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started on day 5. So I know we talked about day 1 was shining our sink. I will show you that in a moment. And then day 2 was get ourselves dressed head to toe, which I have done. Day 3 was make our bed. As you can see here, my bed is made, and Dozer thinks this is his bed as well. And let's go ahead and head to the kitchen. Here we are in the kitchen. My sink is shining. I didn't have to unload my dishes this morning because I didn't have to run the dishwasher last night. In fact, we didn't even cook dinner last night. It was a Chick-fil-A night, so not enough dishes in the dishwasher for me to run. So that was one less thing I had to worry about today. But I did put the few dishes that were used this morning in the dishwasher. So that's already set and ready to go. And now we get to talk about what we add to our daily habits and routines for day 5. I am now in my laundry room, which the lighting is even worse in here apparently. But here I am in my laundry room. I have went ahead and put in my load of laundry today. So as you can see, today is laundry. That's what we're gonna add to our daily habits and routines. You've probably heard me say this before if you've watched my previous videos, but if you're new here, this will be new to you. I do 1 load of laundry a day. There's not such thing as one laundry day or a laundry day, because every day is laundry day in this house. That makes laundry a lot more manageable. There's a saying, a load of laundry a day keeps the laundry crazies or the laundry stresses away, which is absolutely true. I have a very particular routine that I follow. Of course, sometimes life happens and the routine doesn't get followed, but for the most part, I do a load of laundry every day. And typically it goes something like this. Monday is mine and my husband's everyday clothes. Sometimes Monday is the baby's clothes. I'll wash the baby's clothes instead because she goes through a little bit more clothing than we do. But Monday or Tuesday is usually between mine and my husband's clothes or the baby's clothes. And then Wednesday ends up being my oldest daughter's laundry day. So her clothes get done. And then Thursday is my second daughter's laundry day. Friday, which is today, is towels day, which is perfect because I had to clean up after a very sick baby girl this morning. So that's now getting washed. Saturday is linens day, so I wash one of our bed's linens every Saturday, and then Sunday is dedicated to my husband's work clothes. So if you stick to that routine every day, you're gonna find that it's honestly not that much laundry. It's a very small load typically, unless you have like a really busy week, or if it's like summertime and your kids are going through tons of clothes. It's typically a really small load. even if it's a super small load, I go ahead and just do it anyways. That way it doesn't pile up and ends up being a bigger problem later on down the line. Now, I work from home, so laundry can be made pretty easy to do. Since I'm already home, I can throw it in the wash. I can have time to throw it in the dryer when it's done. But I know for some people who work out of the home, it's not that as easy of a task. So what I've seen other people do for their laundry is they will maybe throw the laundry in before they head out the door to go to work. And then as soon as they get home from work, they put that in the dryer. Another idea that I kind of came up with on my own, I was trying to think like, okay, if I worked outside of the home and I wanted to do a load of laundry a day, how would I tackle that? Because, you know, sometimes our washing machines and dryers can take like 2 to 3 hours for the laundry to finish. So, and in the evening times, that's a long time. So I was kind of thinking about it and I was like, what would I do? And so here's what I would do. Give this a try if you work outside the home, if it's not something you're already doing. And actually Fly Lady says this in her system. I didn't even think about this. She does. She says as soon as you wake up in the morning, she has a very particular routine. You know, as soon as you wake up in the morning, you're gonna make your bed, unless someone's in it, make your bed, get yourself dressed. And before you walk out of your bedroom, or as soon as you walk out of your bedroom, depending on where that day's laundry lives, that's the first thing you do, is you are putting your laundry in the washing machine. Now she says to get dressed first. Honestly, this is what I would do. I would wake up, maybe not worry about the bed right away, unless you want to, but I would throw your laundry in first thing when you first wake up. That way, you have all of that time while you're getting dressed, doing your hair, your makeup, getting the kids ready, whatever it is, for your washing machine to finish washing your clothes. Hopefully, by the time you're ready and you're about to head out of the door to go to work, you can throw your laundry in the dryer. And then when you come home from work, all you have to do is put your laundry away. That's just my idea. It may work for you, it may not, but I encourage you to give it a try. And then if you are someone like me who works from home, what I personally do is obviously today is a lot different, but typically I would throw my laundry in the wash before I head out the door to take my daughter to my mother-in-law. And then by the time I get home, it's already done and I just have to throw it in the dryer. And then I start my work day. Typically by the time I get my first break of the day, it's already done, and all I have to do during my first break is take it out of the dryer and get it either, sometimes, you know, my first break gives me plenty of time to put that laundry up during that time, or sometimes I just kind of prepare it to be put up later on that day, whichever it is. But that's how I handle my laundry. Hopefully by now, if you've added all the things that we've done this week so far to your daily routine, I really do hope that it's helping. I hope you're finding that motivation to get these things done, and I hope you stick with it. I know sometimes it can be a real struggle, but if you stick with it every day, I think you'll find that it gets easier. I know it does for me. I try to think of it like this. It's almost like a mental push. I know that if I get these tasks done, that I'm going to feel better, that I'm going to be in a better mood, one less thing I have to worry about. So I know for me, it's like, you know, once I get these things done, I'm going to feel better mentally. So that's almost my push to get it done. So I hope you stick with it. I hope you've enjoyed this week so far. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.